Good afternoon, class. Today it's our accommodation practical, and we'll be studying about brass and how it is used in pottery industry and how do we maintain it and clean it and polish it. So let's start with what is brass. Brass is made of golden. It is of golden brown alloy of copper and zinc. It
आपकी
is made.
आवाज बहुत स्लो है मुझे भी आ रही नहीं
आवाज नहीं आ रही? Am I audible to you now?
बहुत
Yes,
ज्यादा
ma'am.
स्लो है
Is that you, Aman? Aman? Hello? Am I audible to you, students now?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, all right, Raman. See, so brass is made of two alloys, which is copper and zinc. It is of golden and brown in color. So, used in making windows, fittings, railings, taps, and etc. See, this brass is used in so many things in hotel industry and in our daily life also. So you must have seen usage of brass in window fittings, railings, taps, and ashtrays, and it tarnishes and scratches easily. Thus, are usually bitter. So this metal, copper, brass, it is tarnished and scratched easily. So whenever you must have seen brass, it is it gets tarnished. It means it gets get dirty and gets scratchy easily. So it is also a metal which could be molded easily to make other things. So moving to another slide. Hold for a second, students.
मैम आपका माइक म्यूट है
So we were at brass. So brass is similar to bronze, another alloy containing copper that uses tin instead of zinc. So what I was saying is that bronze is very similar to brass. It looks similar. Its colors the colors are similar. Just as brass is made of copper and zinc, whereas bronze is made of uh, copper and tin. Instead of zinc, it is made of copper and tin. And brass has long been a popular material for decoration due to its bright gold-like appearance, being used for door pulls and doorknobs. So you must have seen at your home, even at any public places, like brass is used widely at these places. You must have seen at home your doors, their pullers are made of uh, brass, and even some doorknobs are made of brass. You could see in these pictures the brass has been used on the doors, and as well as brass is made of brass is used to make doorknobs. Shall I move to another one?
यस मैम
It brass. It has also been widely used to make utensils due to properties such as having a low melting point, high workability, durability, and electrical and thermal conductivity. See, brass is very easy to melt, and its high workability. It could be used in various ways, and for its long lifetime, and it is a good electrical and thermal conductive metal. So you must have seen utensils and other things made of brasses. Here you could see uh, uh, the utensils which are made from brass. Is everything clear to you yet, or shall I move to another slide? Students, shall I move to another
Yes,
one?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then, brass is still commonly used in application where resistance and low frictions are required, such as locks, fingers, gears, bearings, ammunition casings, jipper, pulling, horse couplings, valves, and electrical plugs and sockets. These are all the things which are made from brass. So you must have seen your sockets, such like in this picture, and gears. These are used from these are made from brass because it is a metal which is electrical and thermal well maintained, and it has a very long durability, and it could be used in various ways, such as in these examples it is used in locks, fingers, gears, and these all are the examples where brass is used commonly. So moving towards the another one, sorry, the high malleability and workability relatively good resistance to corrosion, and traditionally attributed acoustic properties of brass have made it the usual method of choice for construction of musical instruments. There, so with the help of good uh, metal ability, because brass could not get rusted, so it is also used in making music instruments. These all are the examples where brass is used to make musical instruments. See, this could not get rusted, so these musical instruments are made with the help of brass. So it has its own shining ability. So these are a couple of music instruments which you could see on the slide, and these all are the example of musical instruments which are made of from brass. Moving towards collectively known as brass instruments, these include the trombone, tuba, trumpet, cornet, baritone, horn, euphonium, tenor horn, and French horn. These are basically the type of horns and the instruments which are all made from brass only, such as the trombones. These all are different kind of horns, which are used in different nations and for the different sound purposes. And you could see in this picture, these all are the different kind of horns mentioned above. And this is the other musical instruments which are made from the, I'm sorry, which are made from brass. Now coming to other types of, basically there are many types of brass, but these are the basics and major types of brasses. Which first one is which one to the first, which is known as alpha brasses. Another is alpha beta brasses. Then comes the beta brasses. Last comes last but not the least comes gamma brasses, and at last we have white brass. You must have seen in this picture, these all are brass only, but this is kind of the fifth one, which is white brass. Am I clear? Shall I move? Is there any query you want to ask me?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, coming towards the cleaning and polishing. See, I have told you that brass is very light and get tarnished and scratched easily. So there are some precautions and maintenance points which we have to keep in our minds to uh, keep the durability of brass utensils or even instruments or other core pieces. Even brass is used to make the core pieces. So first one is for maintaining our keeping our brass clean. First, we have to remove dirt from the surface with the duster. It could be a brush or it could be a light fabric duster to remove the dirt from the brass decor piece or any article which you have of brass. Then second, rub the article with a paste of turmeric or salt. These are the traditional ways of cleaning. These two, which I'll be telling you now. These are the traditional ways to clean the brass articles or instruments. First one is turmeric and salt. Turmeric is you make a mixture of these two and you get a paste of these two and you apply it on your brass article. And then second traditional way, which is you make a paste of white flour, salt and vinegar in equal parts to remove mild tarnishes. See, and another traditional way to get the paste to clean the brass article is you mix flour, salt, and vinegar, and then you apply it on your brass article. At last, you rinse the paste which you have applied on your brass article, dry it, and use a polish. And let you know how do we apply and use the polish to get the shine on those brass articles. Next, we have in very bad cases, soak brass articles for 12 hours in washing soda solution and then rinse and polish. If you think that stain or the tarnishes could not be removed with those traditional way, your brass article is very tarnished and it's very dirty, and you want to get the shine and you want to get it clean and polished properly. So then there we have another traditional way, not traditional way, we have another way. It is soak. You have to soak the your brass article in washing soda for almost 12 hours, and after that take it out and rinse and polish your brass articles. At last, polish with Brasso. These two are the types of polish uh, things which we use, items which we use to get the polish on your brass articles and your brass instruments. First one is Brasso and another one is Kiwi clean brass. These are two types of polish which we use to apply on your articles to get it polished properly and get the shiny look of your brass instruments. So now I would like to show you the videos how do we clean and polish the brass instruments, articles and brass materials. So give me sorry for a couple of seconds, I'll be back with the video.